Hummingbird Spell Bee, Class A, 2025, Section 2, Morphology and Word Formation. Question number 6. The prefix word ultra, which means beyond, plus root word mountain, which means mountain, used in historical treatise is ultramontane. Ultramontane means beyond the mountains. Next, the prefix word ferry, which means around, plus root word phrases, which means speech or expression, is periphrasis. Periphrasis. So, option B. Periphrasis. Periphrasis. Periphrasis means using more words than necessary to express an idea or opinion. Next, the root word logos, which means word, plus the prefix word dia, which means through, profound. So, the logical discussion, that is the word is dialogue. Dialogue. Next, the root word archais, which means ancient, plus suffix word sm, which means belief, that is respect for antiquity. And the word is archaism. Archaism. So archaism means a thing that is very old or old fashioned. That's why they have given respect for antiquity. Next, question number 10. The prefix word sin, which means together, plus aesthesis, which means perception, that is regarding of senses. So the word is synesthesia. Synaesthesia. What is synesthesia means when our brain causes us to experience more than one sense simultaneously. So option B is the answer.